Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Ahmed Fatima. I am studying in 9th standard at Millennium Star High School. Today, I am here to talking about something that's happened inside all of us every day. Often without even realizing it, have you ever thought about what really happened to the food you eat? How does this turn into energy, growth and nourishment? Well, the answer lies in an incredible system within our body, the digestive system. The digestive system starts from the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva. Then it passes through the esophagus to the stomach, where acid and enzyme break it down further. From there, the food goes to the small intestine, where most of the nutrients are absorbed. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder help by producing bile and digestive enzymes. Remaining waste goes to the large intestine, where water are absorbed. Finally, the waste leaves the body through the rectum and anus. The digestive system is vital for giving our body energy and growth. Thank you so much.